Welcome to class with Mama Mimi. Today, we're looking for new, safe baby products. And what did we find? A cool new blackout curtains for kids that's safe. You don't need a rod because that's dangerous if the kids are pulling on the curtains. And we're gonna give over the floor to Annette to let us know what else about.
So we've got these portable blackout blinds. We've got suction cups. So even if they're pulled down, there's no rod. It's not going to hurt them. You can resize them with the Velcro to have smaller windows. We've also got the blackout blinds that attach with Velcro for a more permanent solution that you cut to size based on the size of your window. We've got 6 cute patterns with suns, palm trees, hearts, rainbows, bees. So they're all very cute and perfect for your windows.
And Mama Mimi loves this product because it's safe for kids with special needs or any kid that's crazy pulling down the curtains.